Welcome to Luxembourg, one of Europe's smallest countries and one of its biggest surprises. At first glance, Luxembourg may seem like just another dot on the map, small, quiet, and often overlooked. But behind its borders lies a country filled with breathtaking landscapes, medieval castles, charming villages, and a fascinating history that stretches back centuries. As the road unfolds before us, it's easy to understand why Luxembourg feels different. Rolling hills, dense forests, and picturesque valleys create a landscape that looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. Despite its small size, Luxembourg is one of the wealthiest countries in the world. Yet what makes this place truly special isn't its economy. It's the perfect balance between nature, history, and modern life. High above the valleys stand ancient fortresses and castles, reminders of a time when Luxembourg played a crucial role in protecting Europe. Some of these structures have watched over the land for hundreds of years, surviving wars, empires, and changing borders. The capital city, Luxembourg City, is unlike any other in Europe. Built across dramatic cliffs and deep gorges, it combines historic architecture with modern elegance. Walking through its streets feels like stepping between different centuries. Around every corner, you'll discover stunning viewpoints, hidden pathways, and remarkable landmarks. The city's unique layout creates unforgettable panoramas that leave visitors amazed. Beyond the capital lies another side of Luxembourg. Quiet countryside roads wind through forests and peaceful villages, where life moves at a slower pace. The region known as Little Switzerland is famous for its extraordinary rock formations, narrow trails, and lush green scenery. It's a paradise for hikers, photographers, and anyone seeking a connection with nature. What surprises many visitors is how much diversity can fit into such a small country. In just a short drive, landscapes transform from medieval towns to dense forests, from dramatic cliffs to open countryside. Luxembourg is also one of the most international countries in the world. People from dozens of nationalities live and work here, creating a unique blend of cultures, languages, and traditions. Yet despite its modern success, Luxembourg has managed to preserve its identity. Historic castles still dominate the skyline, ancient streets still tell stories of the past, and nature remains an essential part of everyday life. Perhaps that's what makes Luxembourg so unforgettable. It's not a place that shouts for attention. Instead, it quietly reveals its beauty to those willing to explore. A country where history meets innovation, where castles overlook modern cities, where every road seems to lead to another hidden treasure. Luxembourg may be small, but its landscapes, culture, and charm leave a lasting impression far greater than its size would suggest. Luxembourg isn't just a destination, it's one of Europe's most remarkable hidden gems.